This is the True Airspeed Interactive Calculator, which converts between various airspeed parameters and calculates density altitude for aviation applications. The calculator has a calculation mode dropdown with 6 options: calculate TAS from IAS, calculate IAS from TAS, calculate TAS from Mach number, calculate Mach number from TAS, calculate density altitude, and calculate TAS with compressibility correction. For this demonstration, I'll use calculate TAS from IAS. The input fields include indicated airspeed in knots, true airspeed in knots, pressure altitude in feet, outside air temperature in Celsius, Mach number as a decimal, and station pressure in inches of mercury. For our example, let's calculate true airspeed using an indicated airspeed of 250 knots at a pressure altitude of 35,000 feet with an outside air temperature of -45 degrees Celsius. After clicking Calculate, the results show your calculated true airspeed, along with additional outputs including Mach number, speed of sound at that altitude, density ratio compared to standard atmosphere, and density altitude. These values are essential for flight planning, performance calculations, and ensuring you're operating within aircraft limitations at high altitudes, where the difference between indicated and true airspeed becomes significant. Find the link in the description below.